Guns down, hands up as if you cross the line. Well known from YouTube to the New York Times. Like Baby Hawk and Black Venom, I get down from mine. Two contenders, only one can see the finish line. 2008 is where it started, let me break it down. A grand to stop a street beef is how this league was found. I rock assassin.
Rebel, 5'8", 155.
My name him, 165. Out here to have a good time. Shout out Lolitas. Check us out. Mexican restaurant, Lolitas RBA on Instagram. Ready to have a good time.
Round one, let's work. Uh-oh.
Here we go, here we go.
Oh, that's fine.
The hammy.
Hands up. Hands up.
Come on, back down. Come on. Hands up.
Get down.
Let's go.
Bring it to me.
Let's go.
Uh-oh. I'm down, baby.
Plan in.
Come on. Trying to go for the super throw.
Come on.
A little heel trick. Get him
Keep
out.
your hands up. Hands up.
Come on, baby.
That's how I lost my
There you go. There you go.
Come on, Blair. Come on.
Come on. Hands up.
There you go.
Come on, Blair. Come on.
Come on.
There you go.
Take him down. Take him down.
On the ground.
Gotta check those.
Send it high. Send it high.
Like me, take down Bob
Miss
Sapp.
section.
Seven
Miss
leg
section.
kicks.
Send it high.
7 leg
Overhand
kicks.
is
Wop,
there.
wop, wop. Bob Sapp was like,
Come on, bro.
There you go.
Come on, knee.
Give it to him.
Come on.
30 seconds.
Go to the ground.
Your
weight. Your weight.
Drop
You gotta drop your hips and go to the ground on that guillotine.
Come on, bro. Blair.
That nigga don't let him. He's doing what he's supposed to do. Get out of it. You better get out of that.
You don't have that choke.
Hey, grab it. Come on. Get a lick it. Get a lick it.
Thank y'all, man.
Bro, let me tell you something. He fighting just like a boxer. You got this, man.
Hey, control the tempo. You're doing good. Just don't go to the ground. You had it. You have it.
You have it.
Everybody asked me if you ever see it coming and you can time that leg kick, step in with the overhand. He drops his hand every time he throws it. So you got to get in close.
He wounded too. He's scared. He's scared, bro.
That's it.
I could be.
Time. What was that? Just time?
Stretch him out. Go ahead.
I got paper towels at the table.
Good work, fellas.
Put some Vaseline in your nose so you don't bleed out. Okay? Keep your hands up, man. Keep your hands up. Don't back away. Don't back away when he starts hitting. Keep those hands up. You block, okay?
You can fake a hand and go high with a kick hooked up into it. It's there. When you're in southpaw, fake up high.
With the lead or rear.
Bang. He'll duck right into it.
Round two. You know what we do?
Let's go ahead.
Let's work.
Go, y'all. Good work. Round one.
The heat stepped in now.
Yes, it is. That's the ultimate opponent right there.
Oh! Shit! Come back from that. Come on.
Come on.
Okay, now.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Don't over telegraph, baby.
Stop going for that kill shot. Keep working.
Come on, bro. Left leg kick. Come on, Blair.
Give me another one of them shots. Check.
Jab kick.
Almost. Okay. Gotta let him come in a little.
Hands up.
Good, good.
There you go.
Come on, get that takedown. Get that takedown. Put him against the cage.
Don't grab it.
Get 10 down. Bring that hand up. Yeah, there you go. Work your body. Let him take them legs.
Okay.
Overhead, overhead. Get the 10 down. Get the 10 down. Yeah. Good. Drop the jab. There you go. Overhead. Let's go. Got this. Let's go. Right. Bring it higher.
Hey! He wants to quit! He wants to quit!
Come on.
Come on! Push it!
Relax, breathe, bro. Relax, breathe.
Scramble. You have to scramble.
Get them feet up. Come on, lock him in. Lock him in.
10 seconds!
10 seconds.
Keep going! Keep going!
Hold yourself, hold yourself.
Slam him, hold him there. 10 seconds, stand up and slam him.
Don't stop.
Time.
Come on.
Time.
You gotta count. Time. You got 10, 9, 8.
Hey, bro, you got this. It's in your head. You got this.
If you want the honest, slip an uppercut in there. You got it. Y'all clean
He's dipping his head.
Lead up real quick.
So what you're going to do is punch forward. Step back and punch at the same time. Literally like that.
When he's reaching for
going to fall forward in your fucking life.
I agree.
Yeah, breathe on every punch, just keep punching. He's done. He's done.
Don't let him do it. Go back away. You're doing great. Keeping your hands up. That's all you need to do. Keep going. When he thinks you're going to punch, you're going to make him fucking get it.
Breathe,
Round
bro.
3.
No,
Y'all
don't
want
go
touch
to your
gloves?
knees.
Keep up.
Don't go to your knees.
No, don't want
Stay
touch
up.
gloves?
Stay up. Stay
Touch
up.
gloves? Touch gloves? You don't have to.
Touch gloves,
Good
baby.
sportsmanship, yes.
Yeah, good sportsmanship.
Streetbeefs, that's what it's about. Let's work.
Come on, Blair.
You got this, bro. Come on.
Let's go.
Just as tired as you.
Who wants this final round?
Come on. Get those knees, yo. Get some kicks in there.
Nice touch! You got it!
Kick them away from you.
Come on. You give yourself some distance.
Put your guard up.
Stop breathing through your mouth.
Yeah, come on, keep the arms up, baby.
You know when he's down. Throw that over here. Come on.
No, you better work. You better work, bro.
Let's go ham.
Bring it.
Let's go ham. Put your hands in between his legs.
Take him down.
Just keep striking.
Tuck your chin. Tuck your chin.
You got this. Fight the hands. Fight your hands.
Push out.
Get ready to get on top, man. Fight the hands. You got it.
Tuck your
Fight
chin.
the
Push
hands.
out.
You're good. You're good. You're free.
Hey, get there.
Get on time. Yup. Larry.
Come on.
Get up.
Get your ass up.
30 seconds.
Get up.
You got 30 seconds.
Put your head.
Come on, Blair.
Give him a hug. Literally.
Hug his waist. Come on.
Take his forearm and push his head.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Time, man. Hell of a fight, man. Hell of a fight. Hell of a fight, man.
All right. Good work, both gentlemen.
Good fight. Good fight, fellas. Good fight.
15 seconds, bro. Say what you
Who's
want.
next? Come on, face off. You solve it in the yard and we leave it. Agreed?
Any coward can pull a trigger, but it take a real man to look another man in the eyes, punch him right in the face. 5-star wolf pack. Step in the cage and I'm giving out work. Satan's backyard, you ain't trying to get hurt. I'ma bring the pain, you gon' get it to work.